hangers, today I'm going to be packing a fake fidget toy order for my friend. First, I'm going to check and see what she ordered. Okay, so the first is Crab Poppet, and then Tangle, and the colors pink, purple, and yellow. I'll get those two things. Alright, I got these two things, and we will put them in the bin. Okay. Next, I ordered Infinity Cube and a Ferris wheel. There we go. We have the Infinity Cube and Ferris wheel. This one's a huge one. We're going to roll it up. Next, she ordered Shaggy Neato, and she ordered 2. Got the 2 Shaggy Neatos, but now it's time to package them up. Gotta get this on. Got the top on. I'll put it right next to each other. Then she got a puzzle ball and a gumball Neato. Got those two, the gumball Neato and the puzzle ball. There we go. And same thing with the gumball Neato. You gotta package it up. There we go. It's all packaged up. Next, they ordered a poop squishy and a water wiggle. There we go. Got the water wiggle. We'll put that right here. And then she got this poop squishy, and we'll put that right here. I'll have to reorganize this maybe, but that can go right there. Then they got a snake and a fidget spinner. There we go, we have the fidget spinner. Put that right there. And then we have the snake. There we go. Okay, and then we have bike chains. We need 2 bike chains and magnet rings. Have the magnet rings. Put them right here with the fidget spinner. And then we have the 2 bike chains. Okay, we'll put them back in the packaging. And then her extras. For her extras, we will give this marble and mesh, this marble and mesh, and this monkey noodle. And I think I'll add in one more extra. Since it was such a big order, I'm adding in some more extras, and we have 3 mochis, a balloony pet, and a Neato. And that is the whole order. I packed everything, and now let's rearrange it. Okay, so it's all packaged, and now I will put in all the extras. Add all the emojis. Then I'll add the balloony pet, this monkey noodle, and the Neato. So that is the full package, the full fake package. So this will not be shipped or anything, but it's fun to just pack some fake packages. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and bye, hangers!